In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily find and replace words in Google Sheets. This is a handy tool for anyone dealing with large data sets or needing quick text modifications. It streamlines the process of updating information, saving you both time and effort. First things first, you'll want to open your Google Sheet. Once you've got your spreadsheet open, let's move on to selecting the range of cells you'd like to work with. In this example, we're going to highlight cells from A2 to A8. Just click on cell A2, hold down your mouse button, and drag down to A8. This highlights the entire range of data that we're going to work with. Next, you'll want to copy this range. You can do this by right-clicking on the highlighted area and selecting Copy from the menu, or you could use the shortcut Command plus C on Mac or Control plus C on Windows. Now, it's time to head down to cell A9. Click on it to select it, then right-click and select Paste, or simply use Command plus V or Control plus V. This action duplicates your data, providing a separate set to modify without altering the original. Now, with your copied data in place, let's dive into finding and replacing text. Begin by clicking on the Edit menu located at the top of your screen. From the drop-down menu, select Find and Replace. This will open up a small dialog box where you can specify your search criteria. In the Find text field, type the word socks. This tells Google Sheets what to look for in your selected cell range or sheet. Next to it, there's another field labeled Replace With. Here you'll type shoes. This informs Google Sheets that you'd like to substitute every instance of socks with shoes. If your requirement is different, just enter the word you're targeting and the replacement word you'll use to update it. After filling in both fields, go ahead and click on Replace All. This button is a powerful tool because it automatically changes all instances without you needing to navigate through your data manually. It swiftly changes your specified terms in one go. Once this task is completed, you'll notice a message confirming how many replacements were made, instantly reflecting on your sheets. Finally, click Done to close the Find and Replace dialog, securing the changes you've executed. And that's it. You're all set. Altering text in Google Sheets is streamlined and efficient with this simple feature. So next time you're faced with a tedious text update, just remember these steps to make your task a breeze. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to find and replace words in Google Sheets. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching, and happy spreadsheet editing.